And so I do want to play that sort of the narration where she talks about the two paths, the way of nature and the way of grace, and the description of each one of these as then they lay over the characters that we watch in the movie.
The nuns taught us there are two ways through life. The way of nature and the way of grace. You have to choose which one you'll follow. Grace doesn't try to please itself. Accepts being slighted, forgotten, disliked. Accepts insults and injuries. Nature only wants to please itself.